to Practicing with Helena. Today we're going to practice our D major scale. If this is new to you, this is a perfect place to practice. Now, let's review our black keys in D major. What do we have that's different than C major and G major? Think. There are two black keys, right? The one that's recurring from G major was the F sharp. Then we have another one that is C sharp, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and actually play what notes that we have in D major. So we have E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, right? In this video, just like the C major and G major, we're going to focus on 2 octaves. Now, also think ahead. Is the fingering sequence exactly the same as C major and G major? Yes, it's exactly the same, right? But we will still call out our finger numbers just because we have a change of pattern. It doesn't look like G major anymore, right? With 2 sharps. Well, let's go ahead and get ready. We're going to call out the finger number first. Ready, play. 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3 on a black key, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 2 on a black key, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 3 on a black key, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 2 on a black key, 5, 1, 4, 2 on a black key, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 on a black key, 2, 4, 1, 1, 4, 2 on a black key, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 on a black key, 2, 4, 1, 5. How do you feel? If you're ready to move on, and because of the fingerings are exactly the same, let's go to the next step. If not, go back to the beginning. All right, now we're going to tap our next finger. You don't need to verbally say it out loud, but we're just going to tap them. Okay? Ready? Play. Tap. 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 How did that go? Was that helpful? If you needed another round, go back to the beginning of this. Yeah? Now we're going to practice with metronome. I'm going to have it slightly slower than what I did with G major earlier, so that we can focus on our fingering, our arm, and just focusing on where is the flat keys that we're going to encounter. Yeah? I have the metronome on at about 78. Quarter note value. Find your position. 1, 2, ready, play. How did you feel this time? D major could be a lot easier, right? Now, on your own time, if this was too fast still, please go ahead and practice with metronome slower. You could even make it a half note value, whole note value, or if that's too easy, you can make that faster in a quarter note value, or try 8th note and 16th note value. All right, thank you for following. See you in the next video.